What's up, guys? Here's an easy one for you. If you have a trailer and here's your latch right here, and if you're tired of putting on a nut on a little bolt or whatever method you have, I've been using just a regular old bolt to go through to keep it from being pulled up. I know that you can put a lock on it and all kinds of other things, but if this is the method you're using, the easiest way to not have to use a nut is just find a piece of rubber hose that's the right size and just slide it on there like you see, and it won't come off. I've been doing this method for more than 20 years for this trailer, and it works great. So just find a rubber hose that you can slide on the bolt. As you see, it's just quicker, easier, and that's that. Check out my channel. I got all kinds of cool stuff relating to dirt bikes, ATVs, motocross bikes, Yamahas, Harley Davidsons, classic cars, all kinds of cool stuff. And y'all have a great afternoon.